Hi, I'm Sarah Seves, and I'm about to do the worm. And that was the worm.
And hi, I'm Heather Cannon, and none of that's wrong.
No. We're so black on the inside that we have to crump our anger out. I feel relieved. Whew. Okay, now we have to do our belly dancing segment. Okay. I am so relieved right now.
Top star! I'm sick.
And that was our segment, uncrumping.